I'm Srinivas. I am the promoter and co-founder of this company, Aspartika Biotech Pvt Ltd. So we actually started with an ambition of converting the agri-waste into some value-added products which can supplement the human and animal nutrition industry through a clean tech process. Near vicinity, Chikpalapur, Shidlagata, there are about 5,000 to 6,000 silk reeling industries within the vicinity, and this silk pupa is being discarded, which causes environmental hazard if left untreated. It's a big source of protein and fat, and it attracts a lot of contaminants, and it leads to eutrophication and various problems. This is a two-pronged approach where you benefit the silk farmers by giving them an additional revenue and treating the environment. At the same time, we get some value-added products such as omega-3 fatty acids. Before starting off Aspartika, I worked with a private company where I was working on the silk fibrine pods, and that is the time when we realized there's a lot of waste in the form of potential in the form of pupa, sericin and other things. So the silk pupa was the one which was very fascinating to me, and we thought of working on that, and I had to quit that company and I wanted to work on this part. During that stage, I met one of my old professor, Professor Nagendra, and who suggested me, instead of investing so much of money and time into it, why don't you do an MTech degree? That's how, after the 5 years of experience, I quit my previous job. I started my MTech degree, and during this process, I started working on this concept of omega-3 fatty acid extraction of silk pupa. Farmers they rear the mulberry leaf, and from the eggs, they hatch the eggs and they convert it into cocoons. So these cocoons are again procured by silk reeling industry. Out of 100 kgs of cocoon that is procured, only 20% is converted into the raw silk fabric. Remaining 80% is discarded as waste pupa. So this is where we enter, and there are about segmented market. As I mentioned, there are 5,000 to 6,000 reeling industries around. We work with them closely, and we ask them to. We actually train them to segregate the pupa in such a way that it is suitable for end-use application. We collect the pupa from them, and after coming here, bringing here, we do a final drying through spray drying and other drying processes. And after that, we pulverize it, and after pulverizing, we use a sophisticated technology, the fully computer-operated technology, where we pass carbon dioxide from one end, and the omega-3 fatty acids is collected from the other end. After extraction of the omega-3 fatty acids from the pupa, the leftover cake is also rich in protein. This has about 65% protein, and the amino acid profile of this protein is much superior than the soya protein, and hence we are giving it to poultry industries also. Now we have two products now. Omega-3 fatty acids is being given for human applications and for poultry. Through this company, we try to give an affordable omega-3 fatty acid.
Our next awardee tonight is Aspartika Biotech.
About the Level Next journey, we got some email communications from the Level Next team, and at that point of time, we did not know that it is such a big event. We just applied it thinking that we'll get some recognition across the country, and now we realize that this Level Next program has brought us so much forward that we are getting recognition to the CNBC channel. Next 1 year program, whatever efforts we have put till now, that in the form of R&D and validation, it will form a full circle through the Level Next team, and we'll be able to potentially scale up. 5 years down the line, we see as a major omega-3 fatty acid producer across the globe, and with lot of collaborations.
I felt that the entry barrier was much less. The ability to scale up was there. There's a huge amount of waste available in the silk industry which they could process, and therefore it was one of those very few pioneering efforts that we see that we really call it waste to wealth, which we saw the potential to scale.